need coffee. Yeah, what a way to start the morning. Good cup of coffee. Oh, good morning, all my you Pilbur friends out there. So we're going to do a simple kind of video. Just how I cook and what I eat on a typical day. So that's pretty much it. So hopefully you'll follow me along. Now after this coffee, we're going to start breakfast, do some oatmeal. So one of my standards every morning, for some reason, I don't know, it's my habit, I have oatmeal in the morning. So we got good old Chippy the cup here. Yep. Do not get the instant. This is the old-fashioned style. Now we just add some boiling water to this guy. Give it a little stir. Put our cozy over it. Then we just set our timer for 15 minutes. Then we're good to go. So the weather out here has become awesome. It was 60 degrees this morning. For a week or so ago, I was waking up to 28 degrees in the morning. This is just fantastic. Yep, we get some raw honey. So, little hint, always put your honey in last. Because if you put it before, while you're cooking it, it will lose its nutrients out of the honey. And just add a little milk to that. We're good to go. Just hits the spot. Now I decide if I want to do another breakfast or what. Maybe I'll do scrambled eggs or pancakes. I'm not sure yet. So after I have my oatmeal, I usually do like an orange and some fruit, maybe a banana later. Get some of that in my diet. So I got a nice blood orange. Oh, so good. Yeah, I was figuring I'd do some eggs or something like that. I got lazy. It's just going to do simple scrambled eggs. But I'm just going to do some English muffins with a little jelly just for a snack until lunch. Yeah, we just put some butter on that. And we throw a little jelly on that. Whoa, baby. Like it. Found some chicken in my cooler, or my refrigerator. It's expired, the date expired about 2-3 days ago. I'm hoping it's still good, but I think that's a good way to cook some lunch. Wow, within 5 minutes, just ready to cook that chicken, the wind picked up big time, blowing everything all over the place. So I got to hold off cooking this thing. So I just put this chicken Ziploc bag, just some spices in there and some soy sauce, a couple other things, and we'll put this in the frying pan. We got a tight fit. Yep. Hopefully that's going to come out real good. It's going to take about an hour or a little less, but I'm hungry. Oh baby, man, that's looking good. Yep. Think I'm ready to eat. So we're kind of doing just nice and simple. Chicken legs are done. Oh yeah. So this is how I cook out here. So I figured when I got on the road 4 years ago, I'm going to cook exactly the way I cook when I'm at home. So this is exactly how I cook. I'm very healthy. You'll never see me really cooking any hot dogs and stuff like that, any processed foods. It was always just real meat, vegetables, and that's it. So it's kind of my lifestyle. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for dinner yet. I am hungry. So it's time for dinner. And I'm hungry. I got this pork loin I'm going to try cooking. So comes in little packages. These things are great because they will last quite a bit, a couple weeks, I think, in the fridge if you have to. But man, they're pre-marinated. This is a lemon peppercorn, and we're just going to cook this in a cast iron pan. And this is usually pretty good for a couple leftovers. So let's give this a go. All right, let's throw a little olive oil in this bad boy here. Let's plop this bad guy on. Gotta love that sizzle. So now I just brown the whole thing up, twist it around a little bit, cover it up, and I just cook it for about an hour or so. Kind of get a gut feeling when it's done. I'm usually pretty right. So we'll see what happens. Boy, this ain't easy to do with one hand. All right, I got this stout. Had this before here, but just something to drink for dinner. It's not one of my favorite beers. It's a supermarket beer. Pop it open. La Starobia. Oh yeah, it's all right. It's not great. Not gonna complain. It's a beer to have for dinner. So, but I'm gonna be hiking, but I gotta show you this, guys. Hang on a minute. All right, so I have these two beers I've been holding on to. It's the last of my stash here. So I got this, there it is. The Goose Island, Bourbon County, the brand Cherry Wood Stout. Whoa. So this thing has 14.2% alcohol in it. This is just really just clack, the all out Russian. Well, I'm not sure if it's really a Russian stout, but it's a stout. Yeah, I'm looking forward to open this thing up. And then I also have in the stash is this big bottle. Oh yeah. I've had this before, and it's phenomenal. So this is the double barrel Big Bad Buddhist. And this thing comes in at 13.9% alcohol. It's a big bottle. I'm gonna feel good if I drink this by myself. So this, I'm saving these for when I do a good video, good hike. So I got a good hike coming up, Vulture Peak. That should be my next video. Not 100% sure, but most likely it is. So this is the mountain. If you can see it right there, is pretty much in the distance. So it's got some height to it. It's got a lot of steep stuff to it. It's going to be an interesting hike to see that I can still do that at 68 years old. But let's see what happens. Let's get back to cooking. Man, I wish you guys could smell this. It is, oh, this is so good. All right, we made some mashed potatoes. Wasn't from scratch though. And then we did, we got our pork loin here. So we're gonna chop that up with some mashed potatoes, and we're gonna see how this tastes. Oh yeah. Ah, this is so good. First I thought I'd overcooked it, but it's nice and juicy. It's perfect. So that's our dinner. Let me show you a couple pictures. Oh, a couple pictures of some other dinners I've done. Ooh-wee. Man, that was good. Oh, I hit the spot. I'm nice and full now. Yeah, that's sweet. So that's our video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's my typical day, just how I cook during the day. Could be anything. So we're gonna end it now. I'm ready to just relax now and do absolutely nothing. But so don't forget, never stop listening to rock and roll, never stop walking. And we'll catch you next week. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button you think is cool. So hopefully I'll catch you on the top of the mountain next week.